guys, how you doing? It might be a little noisy. I may have to roll up the... It's okay, buddy. It's okay. I may have to roll up the windows. I'm doing my favorite thing in the whole wide world, and that's laundry. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, happy day. For the newbies to van life, I don't carry detergent with me, okay? Takes up too much room. Unless you use those little pod things, you know. And with Sammy here, oh, I don't want to take that chance. Stop. Stop it. I'll be back. How long is this gonna last? Don't know. Anyway, I just don't like to carry it with me. So, you know, if you go for saving some money, you know, yeah, but I go for room, okay? And I'd rather buy some detergent out of the machine and do it, because I do my laundry about every 2 weeks, maybe. So that's not much money. So that's one thing. It's been a sleepy day. I haven't done much of anything, I'm telling you. I'm wiped out. I did make 4 hair scrunchies. These are more lacy kind. I haven't made these before, but they should look pretty good on. And I made one like this too. Lacy. Then I went back to my beaded one, and I played yarn tag. Yeah, yarn chicken was a white one, and I know I probably have some at Tom's house of this white, but I know I don't have any here. And he's to say it's gonna, you know, it's gonna actually match. So I picked the pink beads, and I had this much to go, just that much to go, and I ran out. So I thought, by the way, I'm not gonna take it apart. And shush. I thought, oh, stop it. I do pink with white beads instead of white with pink beads. So that's what I got done. I'm gonna start on one of them triangle little scarf things today, out of the cotton yarn, the soft cotton yarn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't have my watch. I think it might be a fuse that's out in my van, because my horn doesn't honk and my clock don't work. I'm thinking they might be connected. I am not sure. But when I feel up to going back up to get my odometer changed back to where it should be, I'm going to ask them about the horn. Yeah. I gotta go. There's some weird people hanging out at the laundromat today. But it's too late for me to go anywhere, because I already put my clothes in and turned the machine on, so I'm stuck. So I'll be back. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm fine. I almost had an accident. I almost had a potty accident, because the laundromat that I'm at right now, doesn't have a bathroom. I thought that was kind of the rule. If you had a business, you have to have a bathroom. Anyway, I managed to get all the clothes in the dryer, all right? And I'm doing the pee-pee dance as much as I can do with the way I have to walk now. So, yeah, I must have really looked good. Anyway, I said, well, damn it all to hell, I'm going to have to go in the bathroom in the van. Okay, I can do that. So, I know a lot of you wanted to know how I go to the bathroom. Well, I have, this is just wet. It's not pee. I cleaned it this morning, okay? And I've had it closed. Anyway, I have these Good Cook things. What I do is I get these handy dandy little absorbers that turns liquid into gel. It's pretty neat. And I will crisscross them like that. And I can go potty. And it really helps because there's a lid on it. Yeah, that helps. Then, after a couple times, you get that done. You know those little doggy bags? Yeah, you use that. First of all, I put it when it's all turned to gel. Don't do it if it's liquid, because that would be bad. It would be bad. But I get the garbage bags. I open it up, dump that in there, tie it as close to as I can get. Then I wrap it twice with two poopy baggies. Yeah. Yeah, I do, Sammy. Yes, I do. I do it twice. Yeah, I do. And then it goes in the trash. I usually, while I'm here, I usually go to the dump, you know. Okay, because these are pretty big. They're pretty big. Now, if you can go in a littler one, that I can't. You could just pour it right in here with nobody's, you know, nah, no problem. I can't do that. Oh, you should see me trying to do that at the doctor's office. No. Anyway, that's how I go to the bathroom. Now, number 2, I try really, really hard not to go to the bed, but sometimes you can't help it, and sometimes I can't make it in there before, you know. So I get the same thing, dried, of course. I put a doggy puppy pad in here, do my business, fold it up, tie it up, put it in a doggy baggie like this, and throw it away. Now, you shouldn't have any problem with that. If you've ever handled diapers, okay, yeah, if you ever had to change a poopy diaper, sometimes that could be really scary, because you never know. Anyway, yes, you guys should have been around when I first had kids. We had to dunk the cotton diapers in the toilet to rinse them off before we washed them. Oh my God. Thank God for disposable diapers. And it all goes in the trash anyway. And if you have a problem with what I do, you're going to have a problem with getting rid of dirty diapers too. So I don't know what to tell you. What, honey? You're not going outside yet. No way, Jose. No. Give me that. No. We'll play after you get the laundry in here. I think I'm just going to pile it on in here and let him play in it for a while. Unless you have a little dog, you have no idea what I'm talking about. But that's a highlight of his every other week, is to play and just feel the heat of the clothes around him. I don't know what, it must be a Chihuahua thing. Because TJ's dog used to do that too. Twinkles. I think Lily does that now. Only they throw blankets in the dryer and get them all nice and hot, and she'll just go, oh, yeah. I'll put a blanket on top so it doesn't get all my clothes messy. But yeah. Anyway, I don't know how long my first part of this was. Don't know what I'm doing for dinner tonight. He needs a burger. No chicken, no hot dog. He needs a burger because it was not good. So I'm trying to think of where I can get, because I'm not cooking hamburger in the van. Okay, no, not happening. It would be grease all over the place. And I checked the park, and I don't know, for some reason there's a lot of people there. I don't know. So still going. Yeah, there's a lot of stretching involved in van life. You know, you want to get something, but you don't want to get out of the front seat, so you're leaning back, stretching as far as you can. It's helped I lost weight. As far as I can tell, I think I've lost about 10 pounds. Yeah. And then yesterday, and that's... I didn't take my water pill before I went to the doctor either. I hadn't taken it that day, so who knows how much water was stored up in here. I forgot what I was going to do today other than talk a few van things. Sammy, stop it. There's no one out there. Stop. I don't think he's gonna stop, guys, so I'm gonna cut this short. And yeah, I gotta cut it short. So you guys take it easy, take the long way home. Woo-hoo.